Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, our today's topic is phonogram family ION. Okay, so put the date on the top. Today is 15th February. Which month is going on? February. Repeat after me. February. So, today is 15th February. Okay, so the today's topic is phonogram ION. Now, how to read this word ION? So, there are some words. See, there are lots and lots of words that ends with three these three letters. Okay, so there are so many words that ends with these three letters, and now I will tell you how you have to pronounce these letters. Okay, so today we will be studying this. Now let me write some word over here. So it can be used with either T or S, like op. Okay, first I will write OPTION or SESSION. So here it is TION and here it is SION. So the sound that produce if there is TION or SION at the end is shun. Is shun. Shun. What is the sound? Shun. Repeat after me. The sound of TION or SION is shun. What is the sound? Shun. So option, session, option, session. Okay. So now we will read some words which ends with TION or SION, but the sound that produce is shun, shun. Okay. Now let's read some words over here. Read the ION words. See, op. Please speak. Option. Option. Fun. Shun. Funk. This is funk. Shun. Function. Shun. Vision. Option, function, vision, session. Okay, see, easy to read, very easy. So if you ever see this ION at the end, okay, so the sound is shun again. Okay, now infection, infection. Okay, infection. So now we will do this exercise over here. Okay, so she has an infection in the stomach. So we have to put ION. So she has an infection in the stomach. See, so there is a function in the family. Again, write down ION. Okay, now he can decide. So you have to write with pencil. Okay, he can decide between running and playing music because he has an option. Okay, option. We get our vision with eyes. So let's write ION. So very simple. The sound is shun. The sound is shun. Okay, infection, function, option, vision. Okay, so now kids, what you have to do? You have to write these words in your notebook. So put the date on the top, write down the heading, and now we will write some ION words. So here we will write some T-I-O-N words, and here we will write some S-I-O-N words. But the sound is, shun. Yes, the sound is shun. Okay? Okay, now let's write some words. So, number 1 is, yes, it is there in your book. Option. 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 Okay, next is fun. Function. 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 Now next is in. For feck. And then shun. Infection. Infection. Now let's write some more word. Nation. Nation. Motion. Motion. Right? And next is vacation. Vacation. Right? So, option, function, infection, nation, motion, vacation. There are some more words like question, addition, subtraction. All of them ends with shun. Now we will write some S-I-O-N. But the sound is shun. So, write down vision. Vision. Session. 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 Right? Next is revision. Revision. We do revision before our exams, right? Next is decision. 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 Next is explosion. Explosion. Right? Explosion. So, these are the words that you have to write in your notebook. Okay, kids? So, please write all of these words, that is T-I-O-N and S-I-O-N words. And if you know some more words, you can add some more words. There are explosion, collision, tension. Okay, so these all ends with S-I-O-N. Okay, so kids, do write all these words and do watch the video about phonogram I-O-N and do this exercise and do this page and share your work with me. Okay, bye bye kids. Have a very nice day. Bye. Take care and study well for your exams. Bye bye.